So after you instantly rebrand your copy of this PDF lead magnet, this is exactly what you will get, a PDF file that your subscribers can open online and also they can download. And what we wanted is turn this PDF here to a nice, attractive flipbook that people can turn the pages, they can read the content of the ebook, click the links that are in it, and this can be actually done very fast. Last time I showed you a website to do this. Here is another website that will allow you to convert your PDF documents into stunning flipbooks, and I will leave actually a link to this website in the description below. It's called Hayzine, and once there you can register a new account and then start uploading your ebooks. Once inside, this is what you will see. So I already did a test and I'm going to redo it for you. So you click here, new flipbook, and then you browse to your PDF file that you want to convert, and I'm going to use the same file, my guide. I'm going to click on it and let the website upload it and then turn it into a flipbook. Of course, it will allow me to do some changes on it, and it will also give me a link to that flipbook. So here is exactly the result, and if you can you can flip the pages, you will see also here that the links are clickable, and if you want to go to share, it will give you the link that you want to use. Let's copy this link here. Let's go back to our bridge page. Our bridge page is here. We want to open it in the editor, so launch editor, and then you want to go find the red button, click on the red button, and then you want to paste the link that you got for the flipbook, paste it here, and then save the changes. Let's go ahead and actually refresh the bridge page, and we want to click on this button and see what happens. So this button will give me actually the flipbook. As you can see, I can turn the pages, and of course I can click the links inside of it. So at this point, your bridge page has all your affiliate links on the buttons, and also the lead magnet, the rebranded lead magnet is right here. And again, the process to rebrand the lead magnet will be delivered after you upgrade from this yellow button here. You upgrade and you will get the education to rebrand the PDF lead magnet with your own affiliate links in 1 second, one click of a button, and then you do the process that we just explained to attach it to this button. So your future subscribers will watch the educational video and they will access their download from this button, and if they want, they can follow you on these programs here, 4 of the programs, and if they upgrade on any of these programs or multiple programs, you'll be making recurring affiliate commissions.